Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today we are cash stuffing salary for the month of August, and this is the month when I receive my quarterly bonus. So this month we are cash stuffing total of 19,300 rupees. So without wasting any time, let's get into our cash stuffing. So starting with the monthly expenses, right now on the screen you are seeing the expenses that I do online, in which I have RD which gets 1000 rupees, investment will get 1000 rupees, light bill will get 500 rupees, milk will get 1800 rupees, newspaper will get 300 rupees, mobile and internet recharge will get 800 rupees, and gas will get 500 rupees. So this is 5900 rupees which will stay into my bank account, and for rest of the cash we will be doing cash stuffing. So let's start with our wallet stuffing. So starting with spending will get 1500 this month, and I'll split it as two 500 ka notes and 500 rupees notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in spending we have 1500. Grocery will get 2000 as usual. Now for those who are new to my channel, 2000 rupees is not enough for groceries. मेरे पापा एक्स्ट्रा पैसे देते हैं ग्रोसरी के लिए. This is what I contribute from my side. So grocery will get 2000. Vegetables will be getting 1000. So this is 1000 rupees for vegetables. And petrol will be getting 1000 rupees. So I already have 600 rupees in petrol, and I'll add 1000 rupees more. So I'll have 1600 rupees in petrol in total. So this will go into my wallet. And last month के 130 rupees बचे हैं, which will be carry forwarded. So wallet stuffing is done. Now we will move on to our sinking funds. So starting with Diwali will get 1000 rupees as usual. To my new subscribers, दिवाली का टारगेट मेरा 10,000 रुपए है until the month of October, और उसके बाद ये पैसे मैं मेरे मम्मी को देने वाली हूँ. So right now in Diwali I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8,000 rupees in Diwali, 2,000 more to go. Then all birthdays will get 1000 rupees. Now in this month my brother's birthday is coming up, so I'll be spending some of the money from this envelope. So it has now 2000 rupees. 5, 1, 15 and 2. And then comes my birthday. This gets 500 rupees every month, and my target is 5000 till the month of September. It has 5, 1, 15, 2, 25, 3, 35, 4. So it has 4,000, 1000 rupees more to go. Then bike maintenance will get 500 rupees. So I'll add 500, and now bike has 5, 1 and 1200 rupees. Then health will get 500 rupees. And in health total we have 1000 rupees right now. Next is travel. Travel will also get 500 rupees. In travel we have 5, 1, 15, 2, 25, 3, 35, 4. 4,000 rupees in travel. Then subscriptions will be getting 400 rupees this time. So I'll add this 400 rupees. So in subscription now we have 5, 1, 12, 14, 16 and 1800 rupees. Now shopping. Shopping will get 500 rupees. Now this is shopping everything except the clothes. So this is 500, and in shopping we have 5, 1, 15, 17 and 1800 rupees in shopping, which is a very good amount. And then we have clothing, and clothing have 1000 rupees, and I'll add 500 more. So in clothing we have 5, 1, 15, 1500 rupees. Special events will get 500 rupees. मेरे cousin की engagement है अभी इस month में, so I'll be buying some stuff for that. So special event will be getting 500. So in special event now we have 5, 1, 15, 17, 19 and 21. 2100 in special events. It's a very good amount. And then last but not the least, my 52-week challenge. And since I got bonus this month, I have decided to stuff 6 values in this, which is total of 2000 rupees. So these are the last 2000 rupees. 5, 1, 15 and these are 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in 52-week challenge now we have 5, 1, 15, 2, 25, 3, 35, 4, 45, 5, 55, 6, 65, 7, 75, 8, 85, 9, 92, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 1000. So 10,000 rupees we have in our 52-week challenge. To know what my 52-week challenge is, you can watch my 52-week challenge explanation video. I have posted that video last year itself. So this is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel and please share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.